Okay, so we start with a slip knot on our hook, and then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we're going to join into the first chain to form a ring with a slip stitch, like so, and then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This counts as our first double crochet. We're now going to start working into the ring, and we're going to put 11 double crochet into the ring. So we yarn over, hook goes into the centre, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, hook goes into the centre, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we've got 1, 2, 3 double crochet so far. We need to continue until we have a total of 12. So I will be back at the end of the round. Okay, so here we are, and we're finishing off our round now with a slip stitch into the top of that chain 3, like so, and now we can fasten off. Make sure you fasten off securely. You don't want any ends unravelling. Okay, we're ready to start round 2. We're going to join in a new colour. We're going to join in between stitches, so not into the top of the stitch, but we're going to put our hook in between any 2 double crochets. And we're going to pull our new yarn through, and we're going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. This counts as our first double crochet. We're now going to put another double crochet into that same space, and now we're going to work into the next space between the 2 stitches, and we're going to put 2 double crochet. That's 1, and 2. We're going to now continue around, putting 2 double crochet into each space between the stitches. So I will finish that off and meet you back at the end of the round. Okay, so here we are at the end of the round, and we're going to finish off with a slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. And now we're going to fasten off. Okay, so we're ready to start round 3. We're going to join in our new colour between any of our 2 double crochet groups. So we have 2 double crochets here in between these stitches here. So we're going to put it in between the 2 groups, not in between the 2 double crochet, but in between the group, the space between the groups. We're going to pull through our new colour, and we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to put 2 more double crochet into that same space. 1 and 2. And then we're going to put 3 double crochet into the next space. 1 2 and 3. And we're now going to continue and put 3 double crochet into each space all the way around. Okay, so we're at the end of the round now, and we're going to finish off again with a slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. And then we will fasten off. Okay, so we're ready to start round 4. We're going to join our new colour in between any of the 3 double crochet groups. So we put our hook in the space and we pull our new colour through, and then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This counts as a treble crochet. We're now going to put 2 more trebles into that same space. So yarn over twice, hook goes into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So 1 more treble in there. And then we're going to chain 2. And then we're going to put 3 more trebles into the same space. And this is our first corner that we've made here. We're now going to work into the next space. We're going to put 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 double crochet into the next space, 1, 2 and 3. And now we're ready to work our next corner. So in the next space we're going to have 3 trebles, chain 2 and 3 trebles, and then we're going to continue around. So we'll make the corner here. In the next 2 spaces we'll have 3 double crochet, then we'll have a corner, the next 2 spaces 3 double crochet, another corner, and then the final 2 spaces 3 double crochet. So I'll meet you back when I get to the end. So here we are at the end of the round, and we're going to join with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 4, like so, and all that's left to do is fasten off. Now I have made lots of blankets with this granny square pattern, but you could make anything you like. The possibilities are almost endless. What would you make with yours? Let me know in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will be back again soon with more videos like this. Take care now, bye bye.